Hello everyone, I am Teja, studying in Ravenshaw College of Engineering, branch Computer Science and Engineering, subject Civil Engineering. Today's topic is sound control and temperature control in buildings. Building control. Mastering sound and temperature. Effective building control are essential for creating comfortable and efficient indoor environments. This representation will explore the key aspects of sound control and temperature regulation, providing a comprehensive understanding of the technology and the factors involved. Importance of sound control. Proper sound control in building enhance clean building and productivity by lessening the noise and from the external sources and controlling internal building owners can create a peaceful distraction-free spaces that promote focus and relaxation. This is the importance of the sound control. Techniques for sound control. Strategical placing sound absorbing material in the walls, floors and ceilings to reduce the noise transmission. Monitoring the specialized panels that reflect, absorb and diffuse the sound waves for better absorption. Implementing specialized batteries and sealant to prevent sound waves from penetrating through the building elements. Factors affecting temperature. Temperature in buildings is influenced by a complex interplay of factors, including building orientation, insulation, ventilation, and occupant behavior. Understanding these factors is crucial for designing effective temperature control system. This is a factor affecting the temperature. Methods for temperature control. Passive strategies, active systems, intelligent control. Passive strategies. Leveraging natural ventilation, shading and thermal mass to regulate indoor temperatures without active system. Active system. Utilizing HVAC equipment such as air conditioners, heat pumps and furnace to precisely control temperature. Intelligent control. Integrating sensors and automation to optimize temperature based on occupancy, weather, and energy usage. These are the methods for the temperature control. Integrating sound and temperature control. For maximum efficiency and occupant comfort, sound control and temperature control system should be designed to work in harmony. This requires careful coordination of building material, HVAC configuration, and intelligent control strategies. These are the integrating sound and temperature control. Challenges and considerations. Cost, sustainability, user experience, maintenance. Balancing upfront investment and long-term energy savings. Sustainability. Ensuring system meet and environmental and energy efficiency standards. User experience. Designing an intuitive control that enable when customization. Maintenance. Implementing robust maintenance protocols to preserve system performance. These are the challenges and considerations in the sound control. Conclusion and key takeaways. Effective buildings and control are essential for creating comfortable, efficient and productivity indoor environments. By mastering sound control and temperature regulations, building managers can enhance occupant well-being, reduces energy consumption, and contribute to overall sustainability of the building environment. These are the conclusions and key takeaways of this topic. Uh, from this topic, we can understand that to build a sustainable development and sound control, to control the sounds, we have to choose a comfortable and soundless walls to control the sounds from the outdoor. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you.